Good morning student and welcome to my English literature class. Student, as you know, I explain all the chapter of your syllabus of July. Nina and Baby Sparrow I explained and I uploaded one video also for you. Today I am going to explain two chapters in one video, little by little, and another one is innermost turning. Okay, so I will start my explanation with little by little. Okay then, have you ever seen a big tree? Yes? Yes, I also have seen big trees like banyan and peepal tree. Okay, can you imagine? This big tree grows from a very tiny seed. Do you know this thing? No, na? Okay, the seed of a peepal tree is very small, just like a dot here. Bus. This is the size of seed of peepal seed. Okay, and you know, everyone know the peepal tree is very big in size, है ना? And it grows from a very little seed. Same, here is a chapter of poem. Sorry, this is the poem Little by Little. In this poem is telling us to how a very little, from a very little seed a very big tree grows. Means a very big tree grows from a very little seed. Okay, little by little. This is the name of your poem. Now I am reading and explaining together. Little by little an acorn sat, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Now the explanation of this poem. Little by little means very little, very small in quantity. Thoda sa, an acorn said. Acorn, this acorn is the seed of oak tree. Okay, acorn is the name of a seed. This acorn tree said that little by little, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, when you will put it in the soil, this is the corn seed. If you will put it in this inside of the soil, mossy bed. This is mossy bed for the acorn seed. Okay, mossy means moisture. There is a lot of moisture inside of under the ground. Okay, I am improving every day, and this acorn tree is saying I am improving means I am growing every day. Hidden deep in the earth away. Where it grows inside of the earth. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. The acorn seed grew day by day. After one day, it grew big. Then after again one day means day by day means din pratidin it grows. Little by little, it sipped the dew. And this acorn seed is saying, I drink dew. Now what is a dew, student? Dew is a drop of water. In winter season, you can see this type of water on the grass and leaves also. Okay, this account sheet drink the dew, drop of water. It means this account sheet need to grow moisture, water, air and sunlight also. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. In my activity, when I explain you the chapter, that time I show you how the roots comes from a plant, है ना? The roots are just looking like thread. These are the roots, and these roots are very thin, just like a thread. So these roots goes into the earth, and this shoot grows upwards from a seed. Okay, then up in the air sprang the tiny shoot. This is the shoot, and these are the roots which comes out from a seed. Okay, day by day and year by year and day by day, day after day and month after month, it grows bigger and then biggest. Then first thing, the shoot comes out, then the leaves appear. These are the leaves. After these leaves, after some time, the branches comes out from a plant. Thin branches. Here is the word slender branches, spread far and wide. Thin branches grows in a plant and it goes very far. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Then this acorn seed grows into a plant, then this plant grow and grow, then it convert into this oak tree, and this is a oak tree is a very big tree, so we call it the pride of forest. Understand what we call it? We call it the pride of forest because the oak tree is very beautiful and it is very big, and you know the oak tree grows from a acorn seed. Okay, now student, your next chapter is the innermost turnip. This is your next chapter, innermost turnip. Now I will tell you the summary of this lesson and I will read it also. Okay. Now listen carefully. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the innermost turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the innermost turnip. An old woman came. I want to pull up that innermost turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the innermost turnip. A boy came. We want to pull up that innermost turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the innermost turnip. A girl came. "We want to pull up that innermost turnip," said the boy. "I will help you," said the girl. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the innermost turnip. "We will help you to eat the innermost turnip," said the old woman and the boy and the girl. And they did. Yes. In this story, student, what happened? An old man planted some turnip seed. Okay, what he planted? He planted turnip seed. Then after some time it grew. Turnip seed grew. When it grew in very big size, that time the old man thought, "I have to pull out it." Okay, as you know, turnip is a vegetable. This turnip, it is a vegetable. Okay, then this old man thought, now I have to pull out this turnip, because this one was very big in size. Innermost, here is the word is used, innermost is very big. This turnip was very big, and this old man tried to pull it out, but the turnip does not come out from the earth. Then what happened? An old woman was passing by. When she saw the old man, he said to the old man, "May I help you to pull out the turnip?" Then old man and old woman both tried to take out the turnip from the earth, but they could not. Then what happened? A boy came. This boy came, and this boy saw to the old man and this old woman. They both are trying to take out the turnip from the earth. Then this boy said, "I will help you." Okay, then all three, boy, old man and old woman, try to take out the turnip out, but they failed. Then what happened? A girl came, and when she saw to the boy, old man and old woman, they all are trying to take out the turnip from the earth. She said, I also help you. I will help you. Okay. Then all four, old man, old woman, boy and this girl, all four put their all efforts to take out the turnip. Now when they all try to take out the turnip from the earth, they pulled it with all their force. The turnip came out. Okay, the turnip came out. Then the old woman, this who helped this old man, this boy and this girl, all three said to the old man, "We will help you to eat the innermost turnip." Okay then. And after that they did it, means they helped the old man to add the turnip. Understand, class? They all three helped the old man, na? Woman, girl and boy. All three helped the old man. So the old man was happy and he gave the turnip to the all three members. Old man, old woman, girl and boy. Okay dear. So if you will help you, so you will get something in place of that. Understand? So always you have to help your elders. What you have to do? You have to do help. You have to help your elders. Okay. Now student, today I uploaded a worksheet of these two trees. We discussed about it in our Zoom class also, and today I gave some questions based on these two trees. So you have to give the answer of those answers and you have to submit your work also. Okay then, thank you student. Bye bye.